Oh no, I'm scared. What if I get eliminated? You just debuted. You're not gonna get out, obviously. People are gonna vote to save you. Like, bro, yeah, for real. Like, nothing to worry about. Yeah, and they're gonna vote to save me if they voted you. Yeah, you two had a big role. Oh, I hope you get out, you fat tiny, fat jumpy. You're so dumb. I hate you. Whoops, so shut the hell up. Shut up. Like, bro, stop being so rude. Like, you don't shut up. Like, it's a sin to Jesus' heart. Twinkle, you also said what the hell, which is also a sin. Oh, sorry, God, but whoops, you actually need to stop. Like, I'm actually done. Yeah, you better learn, Webster, because I'm done. Okay, I'll stop being mean. So, do we get his old personality back? I think so. Hopefully he doesn't forget that. Try to remember that. Alright. So, we're gonna start Biscuits at Peak. Alright, who's ready?
Biscuits! 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 Biscuits!
Biscuits! Biscuits!
Biscuits! Biscuits! Biscuits! Biscuits! Biscuits! At Peak!
Alright, you guys are up for elimination. One of you is gonna get out. So, let's see the votes.
We don't care! We're eliminated! Of course, we stand no chance against the mains!
Yeah, you're eliminated. What, Marshmallow Group 1 got, 97%, meanwhile Marshmallow Group 2 got 3%. So, so you guys are safe.
Wow, it's only the main marshmallows left. We gotta try. Alright, now that all of the useless ones are out of here, we actually gotta try to not be up for elimination. Hey, we're not useless!
Alright, get ready to get sucked up. Alright, now, time for the next elimination. Alright, you guys are up for elimination! Now, who is excited for this?
Oh, me! I know I'm gonna be safe! I'm so excited!
Indeed you are, Tiny. You are safe with 66%. So you are safe and get a chumpy biscuit. I'm pretty lazy today, so, actually, well, no, I know we're getting biscuits, but this time it's not biscuit. It's only this round, okay? Your prize is a soapy one.
But that's dangerous! I don't want a soapy one! It'll kill me!
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care, little Tiny.
Hiya! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna bloody kill you!
Bro, Upshur, what the heck? Next safe is Jumpy with 64%. So Jumpy, you are safe. So you get your big soapy one.
For soapy ones, I'm pretty sure that's pretty small.
Alright, now let's see who the next red tape is. It's Bob. Bob is the next one safe with 61%. Bob, you got 61%, so you are safe. Next safe is Spiderlight with 57%. Spiderlight, you are safe. It feels weird not being the first one safe. Whoa, no. Wait, you're gonna get your super one. Alright then. So after Spiderlight, it's Spacey with 53%. Spacey, you are safe. Now the next one is Bonbon with 46%. Oh wait, I also forgot to give you this.
What can I get you?
Alright then. Alright, Bonbon's safe. So yeah. Bonbon is safe with 46%. So yeah. Bottom two. Okay, let me recover those people. Alright then.
So, you're the bottom two, delicious and a bit hungry. Let's see who the last one getting a soapy one will be. Oh my god, I gotta be safe. Come on. You're actually not safe. You got 29% meal. It's delicious and safe at 34%. You're eliminated with 29%. Yippee. Alright, you got your soapy one. Alright, bit hungry, you are officially eliminated. Now let me just recover Stolation. Come on. Oh, I got recovered. Oh my god, Bert Hungry got out. Bro, Bert Lovely just got eliminated. Surely he would have an arc. Well, he didn't even get to have nothing. Alright, Bert Hungry, you're eliminated, so get ready. The orbs are coming. Oh no! I don't even want it. Ugh. Oh, this is horrible. Oh no! No! Oh no! No! Much better. Now that's over.
Oh wow, what do you think the challenge will be?
I don't know, but hopefully it's something good.
Alright, your next challenge is to stay in a fridge for 1 day. What? Oh, okay, what? Hey, seriously, you! God, what are you doing? Get it! Get up!
Alright, so our next challenge is to stay in the fridges. All the teams have been put in these giant fridges, and you need to survive a whole day in there without dying. You could freeze to death, or any monsters like Bfdi or soapy ones could appear, so be aware. Well, me and Herbsor both magically spawn them in.
Alright, stuck in a fridge. So what are we supposed to do here? I have no idea. Do we just stay here?
Oh yeah, well, you could get resources and, you know, things will just randomly appear. Maybe you'll be lucky or unlucky.
Okay. What is an anti-stupefied potion? What is this? Oh, this. If you're stupefied, this will remove it. Interesting, where did this come from? I do not know. Oh, a door? Why are you only doing this to us? What could we possibly need a door for? Alright, I'm just gonna go explore the place to see if there's anything. You guys stay up here. Alright. Whoa. Ow! I meant to go to that floor, not the very bottom. This is weird. What do I do?
Hiya, I'm gonna kill you.
What the? What is happening?
You are gonna die!
Little jerk. Don't even think about attacking me.
Alright, so the first thing we should do is start escaping! We cannot. Yeah, we honestly just can't. It honestly sucks. Hiya! Why not? That is disgusting! Yeah, what do you expect? It's not gonna taste good!
Hey, yeah, it's me. A soapy one.
It's a tiny one! Stay back! It's gonna kill us!
Alright, team, we're here. So, what's our first plan? Well, maybe we could build a house. Let me just try to build a little house. I don't know. Where did these
Pen, where did these things come from? Orb Server I think spawned them in. Boom, here's a little house just for me.
Hey, I'm wanting that house.
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
Ruby, stop. You'll have a turn of it. Pen's having it right now. Oh. Well, what is this thing? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh my god, bird permanent.
Oh my god. Are you okay? I think that thing put viruses in my mouth. I don't know, man. Oh crap. Bird permanent, are you okay? Right team. What do we do?
I don't know. I mean, I heard the other team building a house. Should we do that too?
Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so we are here. Alright, so we'll protect the place. If any voyages or soapy wants to spawn, we'll kill them. Because we will protect the place. There we go.
Alright guys, let's help me build a house.
Yeah, let's help you.
Alright then. Alright, so what are we building?
I don't know.
Huh, what's this?
A sword? Oh, I found some swords.
Oh, that's weird.
Another sword? Perfect swords just for us.
Yeah, let's take these. We can kill. We can murder.
I don't mind if I just take one.
Yeah, I think I'll be taking one too.
Yeah, and I'll take one.
So yeah, if anything spawns, we'll just beat them. Wait, why don't we kill the wolves?
Well, we could get executed by Orb Orb. Oh yeah.
Listen, it's just you and me.
Listen, get out of here, you jack. No, I'm gonna kill you, Dodie. Don't mind if I do. Somebody wants, come in. Oh, well, yeah. Let me just spawn them in. No, you can't do this. No, stop. No, help, help. I wish I was with my alliance. Well, you're not because you're in this fridge with, well, you can't go in your alliance. You're just stuck in this fridge, so you can't go with them. Alright, Pen, it's Ruby's turn.
Yay!
Oh, did I just hear Dory scream? I think that was Dodie. I think we're just always killing him. Oh, that's not good. Hey guys, want to see some magic tricks? I'm going to take off my mouth again. I'm going to take off my clock and turn it into a mouth again like last time.
Well, you had no reason to do this. Are you just doing this for no reason?
Yes, because it's funny. No, don't mind if I do. I'm just going to take off this mouth. Who is excited? I'm going to turn it into a mouth.
Yeah, but then, like, you kind of die a couple seconds after.
Hello, I have a mouth. It's getting awfully cold. It's not too cold. Well, we've not been in here for too long now, but I feel like it'll start to get cold as it goes by.
Yeah, I agree.
Virespot, wanna go check out what's going on?
Yeah, sure. Clyde 1, you coming?
Yeah. Alright guys, let's just get down there. Lighter remote, did you stay up here? Yeah, I don't care. Ah, please, no, you don't have to do this.
I kill people.
We're here, guys. Ah.
Alright, Cyborg Remotely, you are safe.
Oh yeah. You know, let's just stay down here. Who cares? I'm gonna stay up here. Actually, I think I'll go down. It's a good thing you go down, cause you won't die. Oh no, that's a bad thing. Get back here. Whoa. Ah! Did you seriously just get stuck? Bruh. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I know exactly what to do. Let's jump down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Did something just say they were gonna jump down? Whoa, 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 whoa. Lighted, remoted. Move. Move, lighted, remoted. He's gonna kill you. I'm coming. Move. I'm stuck. Ah! Let's eat him. No. He's dead. Oh, now you're stuck again. Come on, get out the wall. Let me just... There. Thanks. No problem. Oh my god, did you hear Toadie? I think he's dying! Oh no! He's dying, that's so funny. Ah! Ah! No! Ah! Much better. Oh, and you're gone. Now I'm just stuck in here. This is so boring. Whoa, is that an ice cube? What is it doing here? Yo, wait a minute, that's snow. Snow? Snow? Whoa, whoa! It's filling up with snow! Oh! Oh my god, there's snow everywhere! Yo, this is kind of fun. Alright. Hey guys, does anyone want to come with me to see the bottom? Because I hear some weird sound. Yeah, I think I'll come with you. Harry, I see absolutely nothing. Is that a block? Why is it making that sound? Whoa, 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 no, what's it doing? It's snow. Yo, this is fun. Wait. Oh, oh! We're stuck! We're hit! I cannot see them! Ah! Oh! Hold on, I hear something weird going down from downstairs. Guys, what are you doing down there? This is very weird. Alright, don't mind if I jump down. Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Oh, don't worry now. I'll save you. What? Ah, I'm drowning so hard. Come on. Get up before it rises any further. That was so difficult to get up. Oh my god. Guys, do not come down. There's snow down here and you'll drown in it. No, I know snow's normally fun, but this time it's not. So don't come down here. Huh, can't be that bad. Let me go check. Alright, time to go check. Alright. Huh? Snow down there? That's weird. Oh, guys! Guys! Oh, it's rising! Somebody block it up! Alright, don't worry guys. I'm gonna make an invention and we're gonna block it up. Maybe I can build something. Here's a cube. Block it off, block it off, block it off, block it off, block it off. Oh my god. It's trying to break in! Oh, this is not good! Alright, let me add more layers. There we go. Hopefully we'll be fine. Well, it's just me now. Whoa, 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 whoa! Alright then, so that means Hateful's up for elimination. Let's see who the next one that's going to be up for elimination will be. Alright, now that Hateful's gone, we don't need this thing anymore. Oh wow, Hateful's up for elimination. That's not so good. Alright, what do we do? I have no idea, let's just chill. Yo guys, I brought Chumpy biscuits. Who wants to eat with me? Actually, I brought big Chumpy biscuits. Oh, this is peak, bro. No wonder it's called Biscuits at Peak.
What? What's this? Snow! I'm gonna glitch! Guys! Move out! We're gonna glitch to death!
Oh, yeah, we're gonna glitch. Rising, guys. Okay, guys, let's get up. Yeah, let's get up. All right, guys, we're up. Oh, do you think the snow's gonna rise? I don't know, man. Oh, it's spreading. Oh no. Oh, whoa, whoa. Ah! Ah! It's coming! Hold on. I found. Wait, a block spawned in. Come on, let me just build something. Come on. Do it quick before we glitch. Ah, everyone get on it. According to my calculations, you saved us. You're a lifesaver, Remote. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we might have to get this thing a bit higher, don't you think? Yeah, we probably should. Ugh. There we go. Oh my god, oh no! No, it's still rising! Oh! It has reached its limit. Oh, phew! What now? It will turn into void liquid. What? Wait, wouldn't that burn like the thing? The fridge is immortal. Oh my god. I'm here. Orbsorb sent me here for some reason to go get you. Orbsorb? Wait, Orbsorb's doing all this? Yeah, he just spawns in random stuff. Wait, does he decide what to spawn in? No, I don't know if he's just... I don't know. He's just spawning the most random stuff he can think of. I'm gonna get you! Whoa! Oh my god! Fine, I'll give you a head start. Wait, how are we supposed to... We're cooks, bro! Alright, what do you want to do? I don't know. I hear some weird noises from downstairs. I think there's maybe voidies down there. Actually, no, it's on this floor. Oh, I see absolutely nothing. Hiya! Oh, let's fight him! Ah!
Come on! Yay! We did it!
Alright, here's ready to kill voidies!
Hi, guys! Whoa! Oh no! It's only you left now. Come fight me!
Come on, guys, we gotta stay back. I am not scared to use my sword! I will do it!
What? He just ate your swords. What the heck?
Yeah, this is stupid. Stop it. Stop.
Sankey, what the heck?
Attack them!
Kill them! They need to die! Murder them!
Ultimate bite! And it didn't work. That sucks.
I'm starting to feel the effects. Yeah, what even is that thing on your mouth? Like, what is that? Some grey thing? Wait a minute. Grey soapy acid? Soapy acid! Oh no, I think it's just forming. No, it's coming in. It's forming. Guys! Oh no, there's soapy acid moving around! Guys, what do we do?
Oh no! What's that?
Oh, come on. Alright, get up to shelter. I'm gonna make that thing up there. Get up to shelter. Come on. Soapy acid and snow? Oh, that's a bit strange. Oh my god. I'm coming. Whoa, wait.
Oh yay! You all threw me up.
Oh. Yeah, who cares about this thing anymore? Just get it out of here. Oh. Oh no, it's spreading. Oh, snow, and it's just gonna. Oh! Oh, what is happening to the soapy acid? Snow and soapy acid. Ah! Oh my god! Oh, come on, I gotta get up. Ah! Come on, yo. Ah! Ugh. Oh, phew, we made it. That was chaotic. Nah, that's just creepy, bro. Better Permanent just turned into soapy acid. What the hell, man?
Yeah, very disturbing.
Whoa! Wait, no.
No, what's it doing? Oh, it's just you, me and you, Spiky. What?
Alright, the creatures are up for elimination. Hateful and the creatures are up for elimination. So now that they're dead, we don't need this anymore. But the challenge isn't over yet. Let's just see what happens. Alright, you guys are gonna die. Actually, I don't care about my voinies. I'm gonna eat you. Oh, whoa! Ah! Alright then. They are gone. Let's see who's gonna win this challenge. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Oh!
Oh yeah! Victory, baby! What's that?
Alright, they're not winning. Alright, 3 teams remaining. Alright, we've done nothing overall, so yeah. Wait a minute, what are they doing downstairs? I'm gonna go check. Yo, what the heck? What are you doing? You're gonna get eaten. What? No! What are you? No, this is. Ah! What is that? Alright, they don't win either. 2 teams remaining. Either the Fat Poops or Greatest of All Time will win. Oh yeah, we gotta win this. Yum, 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 yum. I mean, it's not really been that cold, to be honest. Is this even a fridge? I don't know, man. Doesn't seem that cold.
Yeah, the fridges aren't that cold, if I'm being honest, but... think something might be coming. No.
What is that? Ice? Is that Ice Cube from Bfdi? What? No, stupid. It has no face and limbs. Whoa. Woo! We're freezing! Woo! Come on, get up! Did I just go for the wall? Well, I guess we survived. What the? Oh, and I heard them die. So that means the fat poops win the contest! Oh yeah, victory, baby! So can you release this? Oh yeah, sure. Oh, no one in our team died too. Whoa! Well, we survived. That was a huge victory for a team like us, because we normally lose a lot. Yeah, indeed it was. So, you're gonna go get your prize. Alright, I'm coming down. Ugh. So am I! So, what is our prize? Oh, your prize? Well, I decided to give you kind of like something, a fridge kind of prize, so yeah, it's this little ice cube. We did all that for an ice cube. Everyone gets an ice cube. Alright then. I'll get your ice cubes, guys. Get your ice cubes, come on. Is this all we get? Yeah, indeed, it is. Oh, and they froze.
Alright, so the fat poops won.
GG, guys. Good game.
Well, it wasn't a good game for us, because we lost! Because of you, Mr. Soapy! Really?
Wait, did we? I don't know. Yeah, you're dead, lose. Mr. Soapy got killed by snow.
Ah! And why did you kill me? I'm on your team! Well, you're just dumb. It should just be only me. Man, only if Gigglebetter was here. I'm actually glad Gigglebatter's not here. He sucks. I'm not being rude, but like, he's a psycho. Like, seriously. And who else lost? You.
What? Don't be angry at me again! That's it! You're getting the blast!
No! No!
Alright, I'm gonna recover him. Alright then, so creatures and hateful are up for elimination. So you know what that means.
Hateful, the creatures are up for elimination! The character with the least votes will be eliminated! Well, the character with the least votes in each team! See you in Bfdi 14!
Okay, I'm gonna finally figure out where this key leads to.